Hello viewers, welcome to this video. Viewers, in this video I am going to share with you 5 English names of fruits. So let's see those names. Number 1, palm fruit. Palm fruit. Palm fruit means tal. Palm fruit means tal. Number 2, coconut. Coconut. Coconut means narkel. Coconut means narkel. Number 3, wood apple. Wood apple. Wood apple means bell. Wood apple means bell. Number 4, sour wood apple. Sour wood apple. Sour wood apple means kodbel. Sour wood apple means kodbel. Number 5, lemon. Lemon. Lemon means lebu. Lemon means lebu. Number 6, peanut. Peanut. That means badam. Peanut means badam. Okay, viewers, keep learning and memorizing these names and waiting for the next video. In the next video, I will share more 5 English names of fruits. So till then, stay well and stay with me. Bye.